Hello everyone and welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name is Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. The season is upon us. First of all, I can't believe fall is already here. Autumn. Where did this year go? I feel like I've dissociated for half the year because can you believe it? It's already time for Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. If you don't know, every year Ulta Beauty does a huge sale where for 21 days, every single day has certain products that are selected to be 50% off. Each of these sales only last for one day before they go back up to their normal price point. So Ulta is really taking advantage of our sense of urgency and wallets. But you know, it's a great time to save money. And last year I made a video where I highlighted all of the best skincare products that are on sale during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, and you guys loved it. So for this year, I'm going to be doing the same thing, highlighting all of the best skincare products that are actually worth you spending your money on. So I'm going to share all the products with you, and if you want to say thank you, you can shop all the affiliate links in my description box below. Shopping from those links helps to support me and my channel, and the best part is that you'll also be saving 50% off all the products that I'm featuring. So double in all around. But without further ado, let's jump into the products. So to make it easier for you guys, I'm going to be organizing each of these products by day. And keep in mind, most of these products are only on sale for one day. So if you click on a link down below and it's the normal price point, that probably means that it's not the day that the sale is currently running. So take notes if you have to make sure you're getting each of the days and sales right, but I'll have it all organized for you down in the description box below just to make it easier. First up is the very popular Korean brand COSRX with their cult classic Snail Mucin Essence. If you haven't seen this product, it has exploded on TikTok. I have used it for many years, and basically you're getting all the benefits of snail mucin in a really nourishing, super thick, slimy consistency that feels weird but does an amazing job of really deeply nourishing and moisturizing the skin. One of the best benefits of snail mucin is that it can really help to restore and repair your skin barrier. And for the COSRX Essence, I've always said that people who have more dry to dehydrated skin enjoy it the most. Or if you're someone who does, have combination or oily skin, this is a great product to use overnight. Regardless, it's super nourishing, super moisturizing, and definitely good if you're someone who struggles with sensitivity, a broken moisture barrier, or even things like breakouts and acne. There's a reason why it's one of the best-selling Korean skincare products of all time, and if you want to get it, I believe it should be discounted to $12.50. Also on September 5th, the Peace Out Acne Patches, specifically their Day and Night Duo Pack, is also 50% off for a whopping $10, which is a great price point. I've always loved Peace Out skincare. I think their acne patches are awesome, specifically because they infuse them with beneficial skincare ingredients. For this duo pack, you have the daytime ones and the nighttime ones. The daytime patches have salicylic acid in them, one of the best ingredients for helping to target acne and breakouts, while the nighttime patches are actually infused with retinol. And a lot of people think retinol is only for like premature aging, fine lines, and wrinkles, but I always like to tell people that retinol was actually first introduced to the skincare industry as a solution for teen acne. So it's a really great ingredient to be able to target breakouts and acne, and the fact that they are infused into the patches that can make sure your breakouts and pimples are properly covered and not going to tempt you to pick at them. I see you, I know what you're doing. This is a great duo pack to get, and for only $10, I mean, great price point. Gua Sha lovers, listen up, because on September 6th, we're literally friends on TikTok and I always pronounce her last name wrong. I feel so bad. Sachu Beauty, which is really famous for their lip liners, actually sells skin tools. And my favorite skin tool from them, and actually my personal favorite gua sha to use, is their stainless steel gua sha. One of the reasons I like it is because it's non-porous, it has like a cooling sensation to the skin, and unlike rose quartz or other stones, if you're someone who's clumsy like me and you drop it, it's not going to shatter all over the place. Not that that has happened to me before, but hypothetical. I feel like if you're new to gua sha, this is a great one to get, especially because with the 50% off discount, it's going to be only $16, which is a great price point, especially for this type of gua sha that'll get you the results without breaking the bank. It's a great one that I highly recommend and personally use. On September 7th, we have the lovely Korean American skincare brand Peach and Lily with their Glass Skin Face Polisher. Now I know you might be shocked because I am so not a fan of face scrubs, and I'm not, but I am a fan of rice enzyme polishes. The reason why is that they're very gentle on the skin, good for more sensitive or irritated skin types. They break down easily with water, which means your risk of actually like abrasively scrubbing your skin too harshly are very low, if not non-existent. I mean, I've used enzyme polishes for years and I've never noticed any irritation. Very gentle on the skin. But another reason I love this one is because of the ingredients. Not only does it have rice bran, but it also has a bunch of great antioxidant ingredients. Green tea to calm down the skin, reduce sensitivity and redness, as well as salicylic acid, which is a great ingredient to have in a cleansing product, especially if you're someone who has more sensitive skin and wants to target your breakouts, clogged pores, or acne. This one is a little bit on the pricier side, but it is a pretty big bottle that will last you for a while, and you can get it for 50% off at only $24. For the next day, September 8th, we have the most expensive product on this list, but if you're someone who's into skincare tools and devices, and you're wanting to save some serious money, this is the device to get. If you haven't heard of NuFace, they are really popular for their microcurrent technology that helps to firm the skin, prevent premature aging, stimulate collagen production, and just refresh the face overall. If you haven't tried a microcurrent tool, they're really cool, but they are very expensive as well. However, luckily on September 8th, the NuFace Mini Toning Kit is discounted 50% down to only $125. I feel like the mini device is just as good as the full-size device. Of course, it might take a little bit longer because it is smaller, but you're saving a lot of money, not to mention the additional discount. And while $125 is a lot, if you're someone who has been eyeing out microcurrent tools, NuFace is known as kind of like the best in the game. And September 8th is a great opportunity for you to save an additional $125. Also on September 8th is a product that I actually recently started using and will be featured in an upcoming video where I try every single eye cream ever made. The Beauty Stack Cosmetics Universal C Eye Perfector Eye Cream, whew, it's a long name, is on sale. And this is actually like a really good eye cream. It was like ranked amongst like the highest eye creams that I've tried for dark circles. Normally it's pretty expensive and I actually paid full price. So I think I'm gonna definitely take advantage of this sale price because it's discounted down to $26. This one's awesome because as 5% L-ascorbic acid, an amazing ingredient for helping to brighten any hyperpigmentation or darkness on the under eye area. But I really like using this eye cream for like daytime because it has kind of like a silicone, almost like tinted base that helps to like really smooth and blur the under eye area. So if you're someone who struggles with like texture on the under eye area, you want it to look smoother, or you want like a good eye cream that kind of operates as like a primer for your concealer, this is a great one to get, and definitely I think one of the best deals out of all the products we've gone through so far, because typically this eye cream is on the pricier side, but I know I'm going to be buying it. On September 9th, we have two more products on sale, both of which I was not familiar with before doing research for this video, but both of which I will be purchasing on the sale date. They're from a brand called Bloom. It's my first interaction with them, but the first product on sale is their Meltdown Gel Cream for acne-prone skin. Not only is it discounted to a great price, I believe it's going to be $14, like awesome deal, but the ingredient list is really good. Not only is it free of common irritants, but also has ingredients like squalane, niacinamide, which is a great ingredient for acne-prone skin, Centella asiatica to reduce redness and irritation, ceramides, and many more ingredients. Honestly, I was so impressed when I saw this ingredient list, and I definitely want to look into this brand more, because the other product from them on sale on September 9th is their Super Balm Tripeptide Hydrating Lip Balm. This one is discounted to $10. Tripeptide complex, shea butter, avocado oil. It's just a great ingredient list, and I'm definitely going to be buying this one to try it out and review. But from ingredient list perspective, both of these products are like spot on for effective, non-irritating formulas at a great price point. CosRX has another product on sale on September 10th, and that's their 0.1% retinol cream. This is like a really good, basic, simple retinol product that's ideal for people who have really sensitive or irritated skin. 0.1% retinol is very gentle formulation that's ideal just for anyone who's nervous about, venturing into the retinol world. It has shea butter, soybean oil, so it's pretty nourishing as well, but just very simple but effective at starting to get your skin used to retinol if you are a beginner. And this one is on sale for $13.50, so another great price point. Ooh, I do want to shout out that ULTA is doing like an extended promotion on certain products or brands where it's 50% off like for 6 days. And one of those products is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cleanser. This was actually like one of the first, if not the first cleansers I ever used. And it's just a great, basic, simple one, especially if like you have a teenager or kid who wants to get into skincare and you want to set them up with just a good quality cleanser. Or if you're someone who has more dry and sensitive skin, this is just a good good basic staple to add into your routine for a great price point, and that 50% off is running from September 5th to September 11th. On September 12th, Beekman 1802 is having a sale on their frothing cleansing gel and makeup remover. I haven't personally tried this one, but I am a fan of the brand, and looking at the ingredient list, this one has a lot of great ones like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, great ingredient to have in a cleanser, as well as golden sea moss, which I don't know if I've ever seen that ingredient in a skincare product before, but you guys know me. I always love testing out a new skincare ingredient, as well as apricot extract. Just a really unique ingredient list, but definitely good if you're wanting like a medium cleanse, right? Like you want to remove your makeup, you want to get all the gunk out of your skin, but you don't want it to be like overly stripping. This is a great one, and because Beekman 1802 tends to be a little bit on the higher price point, now's a great time to take advantage because this one is discounted to $14.50. Amazing. On September 14th, the amazing First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is on sale. If you don't know this moisturizer, I have recommended it for years on my channel, particularly if you're someone who really struggles with dry skin or eczema. You are going to love this moisturizer, not only because it has colloidal oatmeal, which is like one of the best, if not the best ingredients to help target and soothe eczema, but also has glycerin, squalane, shea butter. And one of the things I love about this moisturizer is you get a large amount. Even if you go with their smaller size, I believe it's like 5 ounces, and I think they go up from there. You get a lot of product for a really good moisturizer that's going to last you a long time. And the best news is that it's only $19 with the sale going on. Usually Ulta has sales on the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream every single year. So if you're wanting to find a product that you know for sure will be on sale every season, then I'd say definitely give this one a shot because Ulta is always going on sale with it. And then we fast forward 4 days to September 18th, where Beauty Stat has yet another product on sale, which really makes me excited. Again, this brand is kind of like a little bit of a higher price point brand, but has really good ingredients and formulas. This one is the Triple Plump Coconut Milk Serum. And looking at the ingredient list, I was wowed. I mean, it has glycerin, pomegranate extract, purple rice extract, along with a ton of other antioxidant rich ingredients and a lot of nourishing, hydrating ingredients that are going to be perfect for anyone who really wants to add a boost of moisture and glow to the skin. And this one's on sale for $21, so even better than the eye cream before. And then the final product on sale that is worth getting is actually a part of one of Ulta's like 6-day deals. This one runs from September 12th to September 18th, and it is the Dime Luminosity Eye Serum with cucumber and peptides. If you're wanting to kind of take preventative measures on your under eye area to prevent against like darkness, premature aging, unnecessary damage, this one's a great one to try out. I mean, the ingredient list is loaded with a bunch of goodies like aloe, goji extract, niacinamide, squalane, as well as a bunch of antioxidants and peptides, which are amazing for helping to fight premature aging and strengthen the under eye area. This one is a little bit higher priced, but still a good deal. You can get it for $24 with the Ulta discount. If you're someone who's wanting, to start experimenting with eye creams, I'd say this one is a good one to check out. But if you are someone who struggles with like dark circles or fine lines, I definitely recommend waiting to watch my video where I tried every eye cream ever made, because it's coming out soon and I spent over $1,000 on eye creams, so I can definitely hook you up with the best ones. But this one looks pretty cool and definitely a great price. And those are all the products, guys. I wanted to keep this short and sweet so you can go on your merry way of shopping for skincare products. But again, if you are interested in shopping any of the ones that I've recommended, I ask that you please use the affiliate links in the description box below if you want to support my channel. I hope I made this a little bit easier for you guys, because even as I was researching all the products on sale, my eyes were getting dizzy. I was like, whew, there's a lot. But these are the ones I feel are actually worth it. And just as a final reminder, I always love to say this anytime I make a video around like a sale or promotion: intentionally shop, only buy what you need, and don't just buy a product because it's on sale. This is a great time to save some money, especially if you're wanting to try out some new skincare products, but shop mindfully. You don't need to buy 5 new moisturizers. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and to the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah.